Hey guys, today we are going to be having a beach day. Everyone is finishing getting ready right now, but we are going to be leaving soon. I'll see you there. This is what I'm going to wear today to the beach. Just this. It does look cloudy outside, so I brought a cardigan. But I'm not going to go swimming. I'm just going to sit in the sand and chill. But we're getting ready to head out right now to go to the beach. I don't know which beach we're going to. Maybe Oceanside, maybe Mission Bay. But yeah. So this is my so cute. Look. And then Destiny, she's trying to hide from me. So pretty. Athena. So pretty, look. And then Deasia. Look at my pretty girls. All right, so we're off. You guys ready?
Yes.
So we just made it to Dana Point.
Hi.
We're getting out the car, getting our stuff, and we're about to go find a spot. Are you ready? Put in the sun for a little bit.
Yay! You strong! It's heavy. That one? Oh.
Come on, family.
Little. Let's go to the beach.
Go tell Daddy.
Daddy, this is not the beach.
Look how beautiful that house is. These houses are just so beautiful.
Oh.
We're coming upstairs.
I want a 68. No. What's a 6 billion? No, 6. Ooh.
Ready? Yes. Oh my god.
You lucky if you think.
Okay.
That's so cold!
Come here, Sarah. Sarah. Come here.
It's so strong!
Go. Daddy wants you to sit up. Girls. Girls.
Daddy said don't go that far.
It's very hot. We're getting ready to pack up and go home. It's about to be 4 o'clock. We had a good day sitting at the beach relaxing. We're gonna get home so we can get some dinner. But yeah, it was a very fun day today. We made it to the top.
Never-ending stairs.
It was hard, but look at the view at the end. All right, we're going home now. But this is the end of the vlog. Thanks for coming along for our family beach day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.